Shravan from class 12C. Today I will presenting my working model of hydraulic London bridge. Principle of hydraulic bridge. Hydraulic bridge works on the principle of Pascal's law. It states that when there is an increase in pressure at any point in a confined and incompressible fluid, the pressure is transmitted equally in all the directions throughout the fluid. Advantages. It provides smooth and accurate acceleration and deceleration. It provides smooth and easy operations. It can lock in any position. It can carry various types of loads. The operator of hydraulic system can easily start, stop and slow down. Some examples of hydraulic bridge are London Bridge and Millennium Bridge in England and Pamban Bridge in Tamil Nadu. My project is London Bridge, which is also known as Tower Bridge. Now I will show you the real-time operation of London Bridge.